Okay guys, quick video. How do I set a default route in RIPng? So what I want to do is I want to tell, let me grab my pen here. I want to tell router 4 that essentially there's a 0 route. You should come to me for everything. So I want to basically say, if you don't have a route in your routing table, I want you to come to me for everything that essentially you don't know about. It's essentially one command. This video should be like 10 seconds. Let's see our routing table first. Let's say do show IPv6 route RIP. So we have a single route coming in from RIP. This is the loopback 0 interface over on router 2. And what I want to do is I want to tell router 2, I want to say router 2, tell router 4 that you're going to give him a default route and he's going to come to you for everything. So how do we do it? Well, we have to do it underneath the interface that essentially where that default route is going to go out. This isn't a global command. This is a per interface command. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll say IPv6 RIP. And we're going to enter in that process that we had before. And now if I hit the question mark here, I have a few options. Well, the option for sending out a default route in RIP was, of course, default information originate. So we'll go ahead and we'll set a metric of 5, because why not? So here, again, a per interface command of sending out a default route. So let's go over to router 4, and let's refresh this here. And this may take a couple seconds to actually show up. Worst case, I'll pause the video until it shows up. Oops, forgot the v6. And there we have it. So once we clear the routing table, we get a default route. And you can see that we had the metric show up as 6 because essentially router 2 is one hop away from router 4. We sent in the default route with a metric of 5, and so it shows up as a metric of 6. So 2-minute video, that's how you set up a default route in RIPng. Again, it is a per interface command, but it's still the same command, default information originate. Again, as I said before, if you can remember RIP for IPv4, RIPng is really no different. It's just knowing where the commands are.